Are you searching for the best welding ground clamp? In this video, we will look at the top 5 best welding ground clamp in 2024, which save you time and money. Number 1, ALLSOME Magnetic Welding Ground Clamp. It is the most popular and best-selling product in 2024. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 2. Magnetic Welding Support Ground Clamp. It is another most popular and best-selling product. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 3. Magnetic Welding Ground Clamp Neodymium Magnet. New design magnetic welding ground clamp rare earth magnet welding holder 200A divided by 300A divided by 600A. Application. This magnetic welding ground clamp is designed to hold a ground cable to any ferromagnetic surface. Features: always stay cool, no spark, safe and reliable. Conduct electricity quickly and easily to make the welding more efficient. Big magnetic area and reducing distance between conductive rod and magnetic area to achieve better magnetic force. To hold the metal pieces tightly, it is durable and easy to operate.
Orders, reviews, rating, price. Price may be changed at any time.
Number 4. Support Clamp L5 Electric Welding Magnetic Head Ground. For reasons to buy, set up a ground clamp for welding jobs anywhere in seconds, with copper tail with good welding stability, screw-fixed magnet design. Solve the problem that the traditional ground clamp is easy to fall off, with strong magnetism, large suction. Single absorbable weight 45 kilograms, main features, high quality, made of pure copper/thickened DMC insulation board. Durable and solid. Anti-rust, long life. High current. With good welding stability, strong magnetic grip, this magnetic welding support clamp attaches easily to any smooth metal surface, flat or curved. It holds on tightly, without budging easily. Now that you've got this, you won't have to take minutes searching for a good ground or attaching grounding tabs. In a hassle safety setup, you no longer have to waste your time finding, placing, or removing a ground point for a welding job. This device serves as the ground point, which you can take with you anywhere. Simply tack this onto a convenient spot, hook up your safety wire, and you're ready to weld. Convenient to use. Sometimes you're faced with a welding job that has limited options for ground points. You don't want to have to damage a car's paint job simply to affix a safety line. This magnetic clamp is handy to have in such situations. You can stick in on a car body and not have to damage the paint. The clamp can also be attached to metal poles, struts, railings, or the welding table. Number 5. MWGC 1-200 Magnetic Welding Ground Clamp. MWGC 1-200 Magnetic Welding Ground Clamp Switchable Magnet Welding Holder Tool. Specifications: made of high-quality alloy material, it is durable, wear-resistant and long-lasting. This welding ground clamp is designed to hold a ground cable to any ferromagnetic surface. It has strong holding power as well as a great amount of shear force holding strength to reduce sideways movement. Item name: welding clamp. Material: alloy. Applicable current: 200A. Suction power: 30 kilograms. Features: portable, durable, welding tool.